Among the appeal made by the traditional rulers from Edo Central and Edo North Senatorial District, who converged on the palace of the Onoje of Uromi, His Royal Highness Anselm Edonije II, after a vote of confidence was passed on the governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpewolo, was the establishment of Edo State Traditional Council to fast-track the creation of Afemesan State and intensify efforts in tackling the security challenges facing the districts.
We, as a body of traditional rulers from Edo Central and Edo North, pass vote of confidence on our government and encourage him to continue to do the good work he's doing for our state. We pray for him and we wish him very well. We want the State Traditional Council set up. Thirdly, we want to regulate the pursuit of the creation of Afemesan State and also creation of local government. We have problem of insecurity. It's a very serious problem to us.
The royal father said the State Traditional Council, if established, will serve as an avenue through which the traditional rulers can advise and participate in governance.
The State Council of Traditional Rulers has not been functioning, so we are demanding that our amiable governor should reconstitute this Edo State Traditional Council.
But we want a functional Traditional Rulers Council in the state, so that to continue to advise the government on this area of insecurity and other vital aspects of government.
In August 2023, the administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki implemented a law from 1979 that restructured traditional administration in Edo State.
Esan traditional rulers are pushing for the creation of Afemesan State. Afemesan State comprises of Edo North and Edo Central. Edo North is Afemai region and Edo Central is Esan region. The reason why Esan people are agitating to have their own state is simply because Benin Kingdom, they marginalize them. Benin Kingdom, they insult them. Benin Kingdom are claiming that they are the ones that give birth to Esan people. They are saying that all the kings in Esan land are children of the Yoba of Benin. Insult to know they pass like that. Esan people are contributing more to the development of Edo State. Yet, they're not they benefit anything for that Edo State. If you go to Esan land, they lack development. Everyone that is looking for a state are doing it to develop their land, to develop their region. Nigeria just jam-pack people together, yet no development. People will call themselves, say, they want state, yet that state is not functioning properly. Everybody won't get their own state. Just like we Anioma people, they agitate, say we won't get our own state. We are not enemies with Urobo people in Delta State. We are not enemies with Ijaw people in Delta State. We are not enemies with Ishekiri people in Delta State. But we Anioma people, we want to have our own state so that we can control our own government. We can control our resources. We can manage our resources. Politics is a game of interest. Having our own state is our own interest. Why is it our interest? It's simply because we Anioma people are one people. We want to be in one state. Make we know say now we get this state. That is politics. When you find yourself in a state whereby some group of people in that state are saying that they own the state, Benin people will tell you that they are the owners of Edo State. Hey, you are causing division between Benin and Esan people. Am I the one that told Esan kings to be demanding to get Afemesan State? No. Go and ask Esan kings, why are you people agitating for Afemesan State? Now all these things why they talk say Esan people they pass through for Edo State. All these reasons that I'm giving why people want a state, that is the same thing that Esan kings will tell you. Esan kings said that the Traditional Rulers Council of Edo State is not functioning. They said that Edo State governor should reconstitute Edo State Traditional Rulers Council. I want to show you why they said that Edo State Traditional Rulers Council is not functioning well. Listen and pay attention. Edo State government disburses statutory allocations and allowances directly to Traditional Rulers Council, with the Benin Traditional Council receiving its designated share, while some local Enige have historically received their emoluments directly from the palace. The state government mandates that these allocations are legally managed and distributed. Here is how the allocations are structured based on Edo State government disbursements. 1. Total disbursed 1.3 billion across the 18 local government areas. 2. Edo South Senatorial District receives 639.2 million naira. Edo South is the location of Oba of Bini and Benin Kingdom. That is the location where Igbanke people and other indigenous Igbo people in Edo State are located. 3. Benin Traditional Council, Oba of Bini Palace, receives 319.6 million naira from the Edo South allocation. Only Oba of Bini, they receive 319.6 million naira. Only Oba of Bini, they receive that one. That one is meant for the Oba of Bini. 4. District distribution. The remaining 255.7 million in Edo South is shared among the 7 local government councils, while districts in Edo Central get 299.8 million and Edo North gets 377.6 million. Edo Central is Esan people. Now 299.8 million that they receive. All the traditional rulers in Esan land, what they are receiving is 299.8 million. All of them, they share that money. Why only about Bini, they collect 319 million naira. All the traditional rulers where they for Edo North, they collect 377.6 million. That money now waiting all of them they share. According to People's Gazette Nigeria, the Oba of Bini remains the uncontested head of the traditional council in the state, in accordance with the 1977 Traditional Rulers and Chiefs Edict. Is that not cheating? Only Oba of Bini they collect 300 and something million naira. Waiting the Oba of Bini work for Edo State. Is he the governor? Is he the president of Nigeria? Where only I'm going to receive that huge amount of money? The whole traditional rulers for Esan land, they share 200 and something million. Why Oba of Bini, only one person, they collect 300 and something million. The whole Edo North, they share 300 and something million. Last year, the Oba of Bini suspended 67 enoges in Edo South. Those enoges that he suspended includes the kings of Igbanke people. Why did he suspend them? He said that the reason why he suspended them is because they are planning to revolt against the Oba of Bini. Why they no go revolt against the way they say only you they collect lion share? Money where the whole traditional rulers for Edo Central they share. The one where only you they collect pass their own. The Oba of Bini was made the permanent chairman of traditional rulers in Edo State. These are one of the reasons why Oba of Bini is angry to see Igbanke kings identified as kings. Enoge means chiefs. Enoge means dukes. That was what the kings of Igbanke people were reduced to. The kings of Igbanke people are not dukes. They are not chiefs. They are kings. The kings of Igbanke people, they removed that Enoge title from themselves and they are now bearing Obi. Obi of Ota, Igbanke. Obi of Olike, Igbanke. They now identify as Obi, not as Enogie. After the Oba of Benin and Igbanke kings had issue, Oba of Benin have stopped to give Igbanke kings their monthly allowances. As they get issue, that money where they reach other traditional rulers for Edo South, Oba of Benin not they give the kings of Igbanke people their own again. When the time comes, all those money where he never give Igbanke kings, he must surely give them that money. The kings of Igbanke people are not under the Oba of Benin. These are the reasons why Igbanke people started agitating that they want to join their Igbo brothers in Anioma State. That is because they are being marginalized in the Edo State. There is no development in Igbanke community. What is the job of the Oba of Benin in Edo State? Oba of Benin is just a king like every other king in Nigeria. Why will the kings of Esan people not agitate to have their own states? Then they don't say work not there for Edo State. Yet the government of Edo State, they give only Oba of Benin 300 million naira for himself. Go Edo State, so many jobless youths everywhere. There is no money in Nigeria. It's because politicians are mismanaging money. Just they disburse money anyhow. See billions where they give traditional rulers. What is their job? Traditional rulers, they tie road. They build skyscraper for their community. Now they pack all those billions they give traditional rulers. Some people later say, when it concern you for the matter, we will talk about it. And some people they agitate say they won't get to their own state now. Some people later say, some people they are so greedy. What is chasing them away from Edo State? These are the reasons. There is no job in Edo State. See the amount of money one person they collect. Some people should do everything possible and make sure that they get their Afemesan State. Nobody be slave to anybody. This is the reason why Oba of Benin is saying that Ijaw people in Edo State, they don't deserve to have their own king. That he is the one to create an enogie for them. Now why Benin people go there and say there is no king in Edo South except the Oba of Benin? They want their Oba to be the overlord of every tribe and ethnic nationality in that Edo South. Ijaw people in Edo South, make una not agree. You people should stand firm and resist the Oba of Benin. If una not resist the Oba of Benin, he go swallow una. You saw how Igbanke people stood against the Oba of Benin. They stood firm. And Igbo nation stand with Igbanke people. Oba of Benin cannot conquer Igbanke people. Igbanke kings are not under the Oba of Benin. They are kings, just like the Oba of Benin. The reason why we are saying all these things is for Nigerians to see the reasons why some people are demanding for their own states. It's for them to see the reasons why Igbanke people and other indigenous Igbo people in Edo State are demanding to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. It's for Nigerians to see the reasons why the indigenous Ijaw people in Edo State are demanding to join Edo State through boundary adjustments. Some people that are looking for a state, they should not give up. Igbanke people and other indigenous Igbo people in Edo State that want to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments, they should not give up. Ijaw people in Edo State that want to join Edo State, they should not give up. Victory is sure. Ishiegwale.